craziest thing has just happened to me, like the craziest. This has never happened, and I think I've been so absent-minded. I was from the shop. For context, let me just give you context. I went to the shop to get some groceries, then nikarudi. So I live on that floor, by the way. I live nyumba iko kwa corner, like I'm the last nini on the wall. So I don't know what has happened today, but nimeenda second floor. I go over there to that house number, then mi najaribu kufungua. Whoever is down there has the same padlock as mine, same size, same nini. So I'm there trying to open. I'm like, oh my god, what is happening? Like I'm starting to get paranoid. Like, nini mbona ifungui? I stay there for like, give or take 3 minutes trying to open the door. Then something was just told me, Ibu, just check the house number. It wasn't my house number. Oh my goodness. I was like, guy, if you all see me trending out there, I'm not a thief. I just confused houses. Thank God mwenye ako kwa hiyo nyumba hayuko ndani hiyo nyumba, because angetoka ama nigonge mkono or something, like a try kuni. That's scary. Like, guys, that is why I was actually saying I need to buy some. I need to start taking ashwagandha. I even have some courtesy of somebody. So I'll try taking ashwagandha tomorrow morning. I want to take like for 2 weeks, then see how I feel, because I need to start focusing. I'm losing focus easily. I'm easily distracted, and nasahau haraka. I think this is the price you pay for being for doom scrolling on TikTok and Instagram. I don't even have Instagram. I deactivated my account just for a few too, but I'm editing a new video. I don't know what this video will be, but we can just cook together. Like it would be me yapping, but I don't feel like mtaniona vizuri because I don't have a tripod yet. Because if I try to set you guys over here, I don't feel like you guys can see it properly. Or can you? Okay, let's see. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, tomatoes, dhania, coriander. This is called green pepper. Yeah. Then these are the spices we'll be using. Cayenne pepper just for a little bit of hint of spice. Curry powder just for the color. Then garlic powder. But first, let me munch on pineapples. These are my favorite. This is my favorite fruit. Like my favorite, for obvious reasons. It's sweet. These are the only ingredients I need for now. Then I'm going to mash the potatoes. The potato is mashed. So to make this, I've used 2 tablespoons of this, then a bit of spices, a bit of curry powder to have color because I don't have turmeric, then cayenne pepper, and yeah, actually just that, and 1 egg and a bit of water to make it like this texture. So then I'm going to add this in my mashed potatoes, mix them together. Then I'm going to, my eggs are already boiled, so I'm just going to, now that my eggs are now ready, I'm going to use this to make the round shape that I want. Like you see how you can make meatballs? I want to make like egg balls. So yeah, but since my mashed potatoes are too many and my eggs are not equally proportional, I'm going to cut these eggs in half, then we can make the balls. This is what we're working with after rolling up the eggs inside these potato balls. Then I'm just going to dip them here as my oil is getting heated up. This is the color we want to achieve, golden brown. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I think I've already been recording for some time because I was doing like a cooking video which is gonna also turn into a into a mukbang. Maybe as I just yap, I just feel like yapping because I've been yapping a lot, but I just feel like yapping online. So this is what I've cooked. I got this recipe on TikTok. I think I'll put the video over here of that guy who's cooking. So I thought I should try it. And for those who know me, they know I don't like to cook. I absolutely don't like cooking. I don't know if I'm at a stage in my life where I don't enjoy cooking, period. I'm not even gonna like try and support it with some weird analogy. Anyways, so today, me trying a new recipe, just know. So I did laundry today. I did laundry. That's all actually. I haven't watched anything the whole day. But I'm thinking I should continue watching Blue Therapy. If you've had it on Netflix, it's on Netflix. I saw it trend on TikTok, so I decided to check it out. So I'm on episode 2. Yeah, so far so good, I guess. Let's have this bite. First bite. It is actually so good. I'm not even going to like kid you all. It is so good. Like anything with waru. This is diluted pineapple juice. I love juice. I don't enjoy soda. So twas. Guys, my birthday is next month. And like I don't know, for the first time I've gotten scared of getting older, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm turning like a big girl age. Like, seriously, I'm almost developing my frontal lobe, if it hasn't yet developed. But oh, my birthday is 20th of April. For 20. I have like, I'm thinking of like a few things to do on my birthday. One is a solo date, and I'll have like a birthday cake, you know, that. Two is like a chill birthday, like I'm in the house, have cake, have wine, have everything I need, you know. And also have company, maybe. Could be my friends, or it could be somebody. So yeah. Or the other thing will be, I can go outside. Like, I can go outside, you know, because I've not been outside for some time. Like, since last year I've not been outside, so that could also be an option, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. If you have any suggestions, just tell me what you think. Oh, and the other option is, my sister and I wanted to celebrate our birthdays together, so that would mean we'll probably travel for like a road trip in Naivasha or Nakuru, just somewhere. We like get an Airbnb and invite friends over. That's another option too. So I feel like by the time I'm dropping this video, I'll have already gotten to 200 subscribers, because there's another video before this that I'm yet to edit and post it. But I think I'm going to do that tomorrow and post it tomorrow. So yeah, I've missed watching Kayetora's vlogs. A fun fact, we share the same birthday date. That's like so cute. She's so like, I don't know. I think she's like my spirit animal. I just don't know how to explain it. But I miss watching her vlogs because she's just so authentic, I'd say. Yeah, and I'm striving to be like as authentic as she is, or even better, because authenticity is where the key is when it comes to content creation. Like, you have to be so authentic. You can't be faking an accent online. You can't be faking a lifestyle. I mean, you can, but it's gonna catch up with you. So authenticity it is. Just subscribe, guys, just subscribe. Anyways, I feel like I've been yapping enough. I've not even finished my meal. I don't even know what to eat for supper, but this could be my dinner. I thought this would be like a snack, but it's quite fulfilling. I'll see. The night is still young. It's just 8 p.m. and I need to watch something. So I think this might be the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, welcome to the fam. Welcome. It's a cute little video of me trying to have fun, just enjoying. So I'll see you guys on the next video. My next video will probably be me traveling to Narok. So yeah, we'll see. Bye, guys. Bye, Pookies.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'm probably buy it for myself. The color is beautiful. It's like bright, vibrant. I love it. Please don't take it.